Hello again, everyone. This is another episode of FalconsAI. In this one, we're going to get into phishing identification using pre-trained large language model. So phishing is just, we have all seen the phishing emails and hey, cousin from Nigeria, things like that. So I'm not going to get into the gist of what phishing is. We're just going to run through the analysis of it. First, I have a basic text with an email that I actually received, and then we're going to get into what I deem as an example of a phishing attack. Let's just run through these and see how we can accurately, quickly analyze and assess what we're getting. So we'll run it through our first model. It says this message is legitimate. It is a standard sales message. That's actually correct because I know the sales professional that sent me that email. So that was an accurate analysis. And the second one, this is phishing. This message is trying to get the user to click on a link to update their password, but the link is actually a fake page that will steal the user's password. So that's actually correct. So this one was, hey, this email is meant to inform you that your My University Network password will expire in 24 hours. We've all seen those. Also, you can use the exact same functionality to address smishing, which is just SMS or text-based phishing. And so I have just a list of different probably messages that anyone can receive or want to run a test. The first message is claim your prize, provide your personal information to receive your winning, claim the reward. I mean, we all know that's smishing or whatever. Yep, phishing, trying to get you to provide personal information. Let's run a different one. Important, verify your billing information. Yep, phishing. This message is trying to get you to verify your billing information, which is a common phishing tactic. Then the second test we're going to do is just a simple message that many of us have probably received from time to time. It's, hey, are you going to mom and dad's for Christmas? This message is legitimate. This is a legitimate message because it's a normal conversation between two people. So the reason I was showing you this is because the widely varied application potential for the use of natural language processing, natural language generation tools that are available to large, small, and even independent operators of enterprises or businesses. There's so much that you can do with what's available now, and you can do it on a fairly cost-effective basis. So that's why I wanted to put something like this out there. Once again, this is FalconsAI with phishing identification using natural language processing and a large language model. Thank you for your time.